In this video, we are going to tackle about homogeneous differential equation. And in homogeneous differential equation, we have two ways to solve the problem. If we have m is simpler, we can use x is equal to vy, dx is equal to y dv plus v dy. And if n is simpler, we use y is equal to vx and dy is equal to x dv plus v dx. So here in problem 1, we have y squared dx plus y squared minus xy dy is equal to 0. So this is m and this is n. We know that m is simpler to solve, so we equate x into vy and dx into y dv plus v dy. So we have to equate all x into vy and dx into y dv plus v dy. So y squared dx is y dv plus v dy plus y squared minus x, which is vy, then multiply it to y, and we get vy squared times dy is equal to 0. So after that, we are going to distribute y squared, so we will get y cubed dv plus vy squared dy plus y squared minus vy squared dy is equal to 0. Then we are going to collect all dy and put it to the left hand side. So vy squared dy plus y squared minus vy squared dy plus the dv, which is y cubed dv is equal to 0. So we have like terms, so we can cancel it out. So we are left with y squared dy plus y cubed dv. Then we are going to separate it or transfer y cubed to the other side. So y squared dy is equal to negative y cubed. Then we are going to do the separable of y squared dy and negative y cubed. So we are going to divide both of them by y cubed. Oh, this is dv, so cancel. Then minus 3 minus 2 is 1, so we are left with y dy is equal to negative dv. Then we are going to integrate the problem. So integral of y is equal to y squared over 2. Okay, let's remove the equal. So is equal to negative derivative of dv is v plus c. So we are going to multiply it to get rid of the denominator. So we are going to multiply it with 2. So cancel 2, we are left with y squared is equal to 2 times negative v is negative 2v, and 2 times c, the arbitrary constant is still c. Then we are going to substitute back the v. So we equated x is equal to vy. So to get v, we are going to divide both of the problem by y squared. Y. So cancel y, which will give us v is equal to x over y. Then we have y squared. Let's move the 2v to the other side, so we'll get plus 2. The v is this, x over y is equal to c. And then that is it for the equation of y squared dx plus y squared minus xy dy is equal to 0. Number 2. So in number 2, we have a problem of 3y dy, I think, dy. Okay, let's just copy this. Copy. So we have a problem of 3y dx plus 2x dy. So to solve the problem, we are going first to multiply the integrating factor of 1 over x plus y to the general equation. So we get 1 over x plus y 3y dx plus 2x dy is equal to 0. So we'll get 3y over x plus y dx plus 2x over x plus y dy is equal to 0. Then we can cancel out y. The other side is x. So we are left with 3 over x dx plus 2 over y dy is equal to 0. So then both of them look simple, so we are just going to use m. So x is equal to vy dx is equal to y dv plus v dy. So 3x is equal to 3x over vy dx is y dv plus v dy plus 2 over y dy is equal to 0. After that, we are going to substitute 3vy to y dv plus v dy. So 3, we can cancel y, so we are left with 3v dv plus, we can cancel v, so we are left with 3y dy plus 2y dy is equal to 0. After that, we are going to collect all the dy. So 3y plus 2 over y, this is dy plus 3 over v dv. So integral of 3, we are just going to put the constant outside, dy plus 2 the constant, or 1 over y dy plus the constant out, then 1 over v dv, so is equal to 0. Then we are going to get 3 ln of y plus 2 ln of y plus 3 ln of v plus c, or we can just let it equal to c. So we need to inverse it so that we can cancel out ln. So we are going to raise it to e raised to 3 ln of y plus e raised to 2 ln of y plus 3, e raised to 3 ln of v is equal to c, or e raised to c. So cancel, and by the logarithmic properties, we are going to transpose 3, or the constant, to the exponent of the variable. So y cubed plus y squared plus v cubed is equal to e raised to c. You know that we use x is equal to vy. Then you can get the v by dividing both sides by y. So v is equal to x over y. And after that, we can substitute back v. So x over y to v. So y cubed plus y squared plus x over y raised to 3 is equal to e raised to c. So we need to cancel, distribute 3. So we are going to get y cubed plus y squared plus x cubed over y cubed is equal to e raised to c. And that is it for problem number 2.